Have you ever had one of those days where everything seems to go wrong? At least it seems that way. And your acting career takes a back seat. Well, I got to do this, and I got to do that, and this and that and the other thing. And I got a long list of other things that I got to do before the end of the day, which I'll probably have to do the next day anyway. Routine? Yeah, I've been there too. I'm going to show you in this video how to place your acting career first. After all, it is your dream, isn't it? In this video, I want you to take some notes because I have something to tell you that may just feel like a wet noodle. There are two things in life, only two, one and two, that affect everybody on the planet. And it's all up here, it's all up in your brain. It's your beliefs. So here are the two things. One, what is important, and what is significant. There are only two things. One that's important, and one that's significant. Which way do we go? Actors, actresses, and performers alike, I would like you to grab your notebook and a pen because never assume, because that makes an ass of you and me. So let's look up the dictionary definition of important. Bing! Instant gratification. So let's look at this definition a little bit closer. Evidence, giving evidence. What is evidence? Evidence is something that is presented to you. The evidence, please. Evidence of a feeling of self-importance. Now just a rock-picking minute. Feelings aren't evidences. There's evidence that I have a pen in my hand. Obviously, it is a pen and it's in my hand. Okay, that's a fact. Evidence is not a feeling. Feelings you can't touch. Okay? Feelings, whoa, feelings. So with this definition of importance, connotates is this: giving evidence of a feeling of self-importance. So the ultimate result, the desired result is you want a feeling inside, sort of like a thermometer, a feeling of self-importance. You want to gauge the temperature of your insecurities and your confidence and your doubts and fears and faith based upon a feeling. Interesting. I want you to write down a couple of things, a few things. Whatever comes to your mind, immediately go with your gut. Okay, go with your gut. What gives you a feeling of self-importance? What evidence gives you a feeling of self-importance? Is it accolades? Is it good job? Is it cleaning the house? Is it washing the car? Is it paying your bills? These are all important, okay? They need to be done. But at the same time, importance is, are you ready for this? Importance is survival of your ego. Survival of your ego. That's right, okay? I'm talking to you this way because you're not just an ordinary person, you're extraordinary. You are an extraordinary person. Why? Because you're an actor. You are an actor, you're a singer, you're a dancer, you're a performer. You stretch yourself, don't you? You stretch yourself beyond the borders of importance into significance, into the marvelous. You are significant. You have that wonderful, glorious burden of being significant. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to look up the word significant. Are you ready? Significance. Now, we're going to go a little slow on this because you know what? It's not instant gratification importance. The feelings. Now, in order to be significant, you have to identify yourself as quality, not quantity. You are quality, not quantity. I mean, you're in this for the long haul, right? You're in this no matter if it's rain or shine. You're in this whether uncomfortable or comfortable. And most of the time in the acting career, in this industry, you're going to be uncomfortable. But the one good thing about being significant is that you make choices, is that you may go through suffering, times of being uncomfortable, but in the long run, you will succeed and you will stand out. I mean, don't you want to stand out? Don't you want to be significant in this world? You can't have your cake and eat it too. Of course, I'm not sure what that cliche means, but I think you get it. You know, you can't be comfortable in a bed and at the gym at the same time, can you? No. No, you can't. So, I have a question for you. What uncomfortable action can you take today, tomorrow, in order to make yourself, create your acting and your acting career and your life significant? What can you do that's uncomfortable? Can you not go to Starbucks and save that money for that workshop? Can you put down the vape? Can you wait an extra day to do laundry so you can read that book on acting? Can you take that online class by not going to McDonald's? I think it's time, and I apply to myself too, I think it's time for us to remove the training pants and grow up a little bit. If you want to be significant in this industry and not just important, important is basically mama. If you want to be significant, you're going to have to grow up. You're going to have to. You must. You must make your wants a must. Wants never get done, really. I mean, they may get done if you're comfortable, but wants never are musts. Musts are, I must go to the bathroom. I must do this and push through. Sort of like a mother giving birth. Not that I know anything about that whatsoever, but I am sure it is difficult at times. She has to push and push with the help of her doctor, with the help of nurses who are her support team. Who is in your support team that will help you be significant, will help you and push you along? I do that all the time. I'm a coach. I'm an acting coach and actor of over 30 years, and I can help you. 𝐕𝐈𝐃𝐄𝐒.co. 𝐕𝐈𝐃𝐄𝐒.co. So, that's all for today. I want you to think about seriously and make a list of your wants and must and take stock in your importance versus your significance. Who's going to win? It's all up to you.